doing the axle, but he's very camera shy. He's trying to help me go testing, and he said please don't get me on camera, so I'm hiding. I've got to go, it's going to come. Run! Run! Hi guys, and this is the second Thursday video, the extra video, what we're doing. So what I'm doing today, actually, I just thought I'd show this before showing the other bits that's going on, is gas flowing a Ford Focus RS. This is the new shape, Mark whatever 3, I think. This is the 2.3 EcoBoost. So I've done all this side of it. I'm now just sorting out in there. What else have we been up to? Nothing in here actually, but we have just booked a track day for Silverstone on Saturday, so we'll film that. I've done 62 Jaguar injectors. We've now got the parts in for Alistair's V8 to fix that. We're waiting for the conrods for the Abarth. We're stripping the MGB next. Sam's been honing the Pinto, so that's now got to go through the cleaner, the gasket faces, that's ready to build. We've done a load of cylinder heads, a Chevy V8 that's been collected. I've been working, or I finished actually, the Saxo engine, so that's ready for the customer to collect on Friday. I've also been doing the 8-valve double overhead cam, but we're struggling to get thrust washers for that at the moment, so that's the problem that I've got. Everything else is ready, so that's in assembly stage now, but we have got to get the thrust washers for it. So the Saxo engine is going on a trolley, and the Land Rover engine, which is there, is then going onto the platform lift, so I can build the bottom end of that. I've also had the new piston rings turn up for the Alpina, so thanks to Jordan at Nevlock for sorting those out for me. The head gasket has turned up for Neil's Warrior, so I can get that back together now and finish that off. So yeah, things are moving forward quite well. There's lots of other bits and bobs that have happened as well. Sam has got his engine back in his van, so thanks to Simon at Nevlock for getting all the bits sorted for Sam. It runs absolutely perfect. He balanced the engine at the same time, but unfortunately he had it all built at the weekend, him and his mates Andre and Sparky, and I think a few others was working on it, but when they pressed the clutch, the slave cylinder inside the gearbox exploded, so they have been waiting for that to turn up. I don't know when they're fixing that, but that is one of the jobs to do. I also will show you this. You know, you guys know that I've got a bit of a BMX fetish, and my friend Grant, who's built both my Skyways and my Blue Max for me, he's also sold me his Skyway Cruiser, so it's a bigger frame, bigger wheels, it's on Skyway graphite, so I'm really excited about taking that racing now. It's a bike that we're gonna use at racing, although I need to lock it away because I don't want to get it stolen. It's beautiful. We've had another race engine turn in for an M3 engine, so we've got this to start next week. Sweep's flat out busy as usual. Mickey's doing this hot rod. This is Sweep's van that he's just built for himself, which is quite cool. Fiat van, he's lowered it and colour coded it and done some trick bits on it. And then in here I'm going to show, I've got my Mark 1 Escort Lotus twin cam, which I'm going to do a video on this soon explaining all about it and what it is and stuff like that. so that'll be something that's coming soon. And then the boys are working on this.
And Andre flat out.
Sam and Andre are flat out, and somewhere we've got the little rascal. See that there? That's either Rob or that's something that I picked up on the circuit last time I'm out, and he's still caught in there. It's either Rob or Tim looking at the hairline. What's up, Rob?
Go away with your camera.
What are you doing with the press down there?
Because I've told my missus I'm in the park. I'll be in trouble.
Your missus doesn't watch this channel. So there we go. I'm going to jump in this because Rob wants me to sit in it, and they're doing some bits to it. They've sorted the axle out for me, which is good. Sam's painted it.
No, that's sorted it out. Oh, Rob's stuck. Rob can't get up.
And that's it. I'm going to jump in this car, and I'll speak to you again in a minute. So there's a Wicked song on, and Rob, I've just said I used to listen to this song when I raced minis. Rob, what was your answer to that?
It's a bell end, isn't it?
Rob, what was your answer to my song?
Bell
Oi, beep, beep, don't swear. Rob's answer to that was, I didn't realise they did music in black and white. Not very nice at all. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Short and sweet. I'm going to add the injector video onto the end of this, where it's the Jag injectors, so I just thought I would give you a bit more content and a little bit of work. We're also trying to find somewhere to put my snap-on neons, and over there next to my Stormtrooper there is some big snap-on tools, so we're going to put them on the wall, but I don't know exactly what to do about that. But if any of you guys have got any ideas which wall to stick them in, how to do like a themed wall or something like that, then leave it in the comment section below. But yeah, this is the first proper Thursday quick video, really, just to say thank you and let everyone know that what's going on in the workshop. So thanks for watching, guys. Injectors are next, so if you want to watch these 62 injectors get reconditioned, keep watching. Hit the like, please, if you could, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Ta-ra. Hi guys, the next job that I'm doing today is 62 Jaguar injectors for our friend Tom at Tom Lenthal's garage. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I actually test them is I'm just going to knock all the dirt off the outside. So I'm going to do that in my little ultrasonic tank. Just clean the bodies. It will naturally clean some of the injector as well, but I'm not too phased about that. Then I'll run them on the ASNU machine and then clean them properly, replace all the filters and any of the O-rings that are damaged, or all the O-rings, and just get them back to full injectors, because we've got pintle caps and spacers and O-rings missing and some damaged caps and things like that. And then just bag them back up into order. Load the basket up. Probably gonna have to do this in 3 lots. So I'm gonna start to prep the machine. I'm gonna have to replace the ultrasonic fluid in there. I'm going to put brand new in it because it's got some bits of oil and dirt in from the last set of injectors that we do. So I'm going to clean that out. I'm just going to wipe the machine over just so it's nice and fresh and clean, and put in the information that I need. So it's a standard style injector. I'm doing 8 of them. Flow time 30 seconds, and now it's ready to prime. So I'm going to take these caps off and start to get it ready. So that's all these injectors pre-cleaned. So what I'm going to do now is start to take the filters out, which are in here. So I've got this little special tool for that, and I'm just going to screw it into the filter and then pop them off like that. So And then I need a pair of pliers, which I've got there, somewhere there. And then a pair of pliers to just take them off the end of the tool. So what I'm going to then do is put them into groups of 8 and then start to check the first group as I'm taking the filters off the rest of them. So I'm going to put fresh ultrasonic fluid in the ultrasonic bath, and then we'll see what cleaning these 62 injectors does to the brand new fluid. So to get it out, I use this little drinks bottle, and then I just suck it out and then clean the bottom of the tank. So this is the first set of 8, and yeah, they're not really in very good condition. I think that might be the, oh no, it's leaking out the top there, so that's not so bad, but the spray patterns are everywhere. I'm going to do a CC check, and then we'll start to clean the first ones, but they're leaking as well. That one there is leaking pretty bad too, so yeah, these need a little bit of love. So that's the CC check on the first set of 8, and as you can see, we've got this one really not happy. 50 is roughly where these injectors should spray to, but the spray pattern's not nice on any of them. So what I'm going to do is get them out of here, get them into the ultrasonic, and let's see how much dirt and debris comes out in the ultrasonic. But yeah, first set of 8, and they're not good so far, so we'll see how we repair them. So that's all the spray patterns now, looking exactly as they should do. That's 2 goes through the ultrasonic. Now let's do a CC check and make sure that they're flowing the same. Make sure the test tubes are empty. Seconds left. And look at that. That is awesome. They're all exactly bang on 50, which is where we want them to be. That's what I said at the start. The ones that are good, they always flow around there, and they was all over the place. So this machine's awesome. So I'm going to filter them up now and get ready to start bagging them up. These are some of the filters that I've taken out so far, and you can actually see the rust that's coming out of a couple of them. So whichever ones they are in these few here, what I've done, I've still got to defilter these, but yeah, one of them probably, or a couple of them, might not be repairable if that rust is inside the injector. But we'll have a look, we'll have a go, see what we can do. So this is the second set, and we can see straight away that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 where the spray pattern's not ideal. These 2 could do with improving. These 2 are good, that's what they should look like. So let's do a CC check on this set. And these ones are a lot better, but you can see this is down. These 3, 4 would pass, which what we said when we looked at the spray pattern, but these 3 are down as well. So I'm going to run them through the ultrasonic again and recheck. So that's this next 8 injectors. All the spray patterns are really nice on that, so we're going to do another flow check and see. And there we go, that's cleaned all them up perfect as well. So that's the second set done. On to the third. So this is set number 3, and this third injector along has got a problem where the needle is already off the seat, because if I fire up the pump before it actually fires the solenoid of the injector. This one sprays out. There we go, straight away. The injector's not even firing. That one's leaking, and the spray pattern is horrendous on all of them. That's the only one that will probably flow the right amount, and then this one's not too bad but still needs a clean. So let's do a CC check. And there we go, all over the place, but the third one along, which is open, is delivering double what it should deliver. So it's such a good job that we check these and recon them. So once again, I'm going to stick them in the ultrasonic. Let's see if we can improve on this one. Hopefully we can. Yeah, so ultrasonic time. So that's the third set all done, all flowing perfect. So I need to put filters in them and then bag them, and we'll move on to the fourth set. So this is the fourth set, and a bad spray pattern on the majority of them again. This one looks okay, this one and this one, but all of them and that one not very good at all. So we'll do a flow test and see what they're doing. So the fourth set is flowing better than the third set, but we're down on these two. This one's up. So we'll run them through the cleaner and see how they improve. So the spray pattern's good on these, and now we're just doing a flow test, see what that's like. So that's the fourth set all done, they're all bang on. So we'll move on to the fifth set, but we're getting through them now. So this is set 5, and that number 1's not doing too good. Once again, only one that's got an half decent spray pattern. So let's flow test. So they actually flow better than what I thought. These two need attention, but the spray pattern's all over the place. So we're going to put them through the ultrasonic and see what they look like. So that's these all improved. Let's do a flow check on them. In fact, the third one along isn't too good. We're going to run that back through the ultrasonic with another couple of injectors. But all the rest of them are good. I'll do a flow test. And that's them all perfect. So all I'm going to do is run this one again to try and improve the spray pattern, but they're all perfect flow wise. So this is set 6, and these ones are probably the best initial set. We can still improve the spray pattern, but we'll see what they're flowing. And these ones even flow pretty good, but we're going to run them through the ultrasonic and hopefully improve the spray pattern. So that's the spray pattern all sorted, and let's do a flow check. And that slows all bang on. So this is the next set, set 6 I think, and this one's not working at the moment. So I'll just give the body a little tap. Oh. It might start to work. There we go. But it's a really bad spray pattern. We'll flow test them, see what they're like. So this set's delivering not bad actually. This one's a bit low, but we'll get them through the cleaner, improve the spray pattern and get them flowing the same. That's them ones all done. Spray pattern's good, flow rate's good. So this is the last 6 and they're all firing, but they're the spray pattern's not nice, and I don't know if this body's leaking, but that injector there looks wet along the body. I think it is. I think that might be a scrap injector, but I'll clean it and retest it anyway. Flow wise they're pretty good, so I'm going to take them out, clean them, but I really want to inspect this body. I've got a sneaky feeling it is leaking. Well, that's the end of the 62 injectors apart from the filters in these 9. I ran out of these yesterday. I made a quick message to Laura and Tony at Asnu, and they had another bunch of filters delivered out to me for a morning delivery. So we've filled up the pot of filters. I can filter the last 9, put them in the bag, and then this is all done and good to go. So that's 62 Jaguar injectors, refiltered, O-rings checked and replaced, and yeah, bagged ready to go. So we'll move on to something else.